Question 5. Some children took part in a piano competition. Each child was given a mark from Judge A and from Judge B. The scatter graph below shows this information. So each cross here represents a child who took part in the competition. So for example, this child here, Judge A gave this child a mark of 22 and Judge B gave this child 2, 4, 6, 8, so a mark of 8. Okay, so part A says describe the correlation. This is worth 1 mark, and you can clearly see as Judge A's marks increase, so does Judge B's. So this is a positive correlation. Okay, a positive correlation. So describe the correlation, positive. Okay, and that's worth 1 mark. So anything that suggests, well, says positive correlation gives you 1 mark. Judge A gives 44 marks to another child. Part B says use the scatter graph to estimate Judge B's mark for this child. So we're going to need to go back to our scatter graph. So we can see this positive correlation here. So you need to get your ruler, and it's quite tricky to do on the computer, but your line needs to go something like this. Okay, can you see that? So that's the line of best fit. And now if was it Judge A or Judge B who gave the 44 marks? Let's have a look. Judge A gives 44 marks to another child, so we have to use the scatter graph to estimate Judge B's mark for this child. So Judge A gave 44 marks. So be careful of this scale as well. It's not going up by ones, it's going up in twos, okay, because 30 is here. So Judge A gave 44. So 2, 4 is here. So you get your ruler, draw a line up to your line of best fit, oops, and across. So it would suggest, or my estimate would be, using my line of best fit, if Judge A gave a mark of 44, Judge B would probably give a mark of 42, 44, 46, 48, I would say. Now hopefully I've done that accurately enough to get the marks, but we'll see that in a little bit. So use the scatter graph to estimate Judge B's mark for this child. I would put 48 marks. Okay, now this is worth 2 marks. Let's have a look at what the mark scheme says in order to get that mark. Okay, so the first one is a method mark. If they see a line segment, so this line of best fit with a positive gradient, so going in this direction here, or they can see a vertical line from 44 from Judge A here, then that's enough to get you the first method mark. Okay, this is for part B, and the second mark comes from the final answer here. Okay, and you could have put anything from 46 to 54 to get that mark. Okay, so there's your 2 marks, and that's it.